Isn't it frustrating when payday hits, and before you know it, your hard-earned cash seems to evaporate into a million different directions? One minute it's there, the next it's gone, swallowed by bills, subscriptions, and that just a little treat that somehow becomes a daily habit. We've all been there, right? That feeling of financial juggling, trying to allocate funds manually, and often realizing you've overspent in one area and are now scrambling in another. It's a common struggle, a silent stressor for many, even those who consider themselves financially savvy. Imagine a world where payday isn't a scramble, but a smooth, automated distribution of your income. A world where your bills are paid on time, your savings goals are effortlessly met, and your spending money is clearly defined, all without you lifting a finger. Sounds like a dream, doesn't it? Well, what if I told you that this dream is not only achievable but incredibly easy to set up, especially if you're a Monzo user? Today, we're diving deep into one of Monzo's most powerful yet often underutilized features, the salary sorter. This isn't just about moving money around, it's about transforming your entire financial approach. It's about taking the stress out of payday, giving you clarity and control, and ultimately, empowering you to achieve your financial goals with minimal effort. Think of it as your personal financial assistant, working diligently behind the scenes to ensure every penny goes exactly where it needs to. Before we jump into the nitty-gritty of setting it up, let's understand why the salary sorter is such a game-changer. Traditionally, when your salary hits your main account, it's all there, an enticing lump sum. The discipline then falls entirely on you to manually transfer money to your savings, your bills pot, your spending allowance, and so on. This manual process is prone to human error, procrastination, and impulse spending. You might forget to transfer to savings one month, or dip into your bills pot for an unexpected expense, creating a domino effect of financial misalignment. The salary sorter eliminates this friction. It automates the distribution of your income the moment it lands in your Monzo account. This means you're not just saving money, you're building a robust financial system. It reinforces good habits, prevents impulse spending from your essential funds, and gives you an accurate, real-time picture of your available spending money. No more mental gymnastics trying to figure out how much you actually have left after all your commitments. Consider the mental load it reduces. Instead of constantly thinking about upcoming bills or worrying if you've saved enough, the salary sorter handles it for you. This frees up valuable mental energy that you can redirect towards more productive or enjoyable pursuits. It's a subtle shift that can have a profound impact on your overall financial well-being and peace of mind. Now, you might be thinking, this sounds great, but is it complicated to set up? And the answer is a resounding no. Monzo has designed the salary sorter to be incredibly intuitive, walking you through each step with clear, concise instructions. It's a testament to their user-centric design philosophy. Let's get down to the practical steps. To set up your salary sorter, you'll need a Monzo account, naturally, and your salary to be paid directly into it. If you're not already doing that, it's a simple process to switch your direct deposit details with your employer. Monzo even offers a switching service to make this easier. Once your salary is directed to Monzo, open your Monzo app. On your home screen, you'll usually see your main account balance. When a salary payment comes in, Monzo intelligently recognizes it as such. You'll often see a prompt or notification that says salary received. Sort your money? This is your gateway to financial automation. If you don't see this prompt immediately, don't worry. You can also manually initiate the process. Simply tap on the transaction representing your salary payment in your feed. A details screen will pop up, and you should see an option along the lines of Sort this money or Set up salary sorter. Tap on that. The app will then guide you through a series of straightforward questions. The first crucial step is to decide where your money is going. Monzo allows you to sort your salary into various pots. If you're new to Monzo, pots are essentially sub-accounts within your main Monzo account, designed to help you organize your money for different purposes. Think of them as digital envelopes for your finances. You might have pots for bills, for savings goals like a new car or a holiday, for specific subscriptions, or even a general spending pot. If you haven't already created pots for your different financial categories, now is the perfect time to do so. Before you even start the salary sorter setup, take a moment to consider your financial priorities. What are your fixed expenses each month? Rent/mortgage, utilities, loan repayments, essential subscriptions like Netflix or your phone bill. What are your savings goals? Emergency fund, deposit for a house, a specific purchase? And how much do you want to allocate for your discretionary spending, groceries, going out, entertainment, personal care? Once you have a clear idea of these categories, go back to your main Monzo screen and create the necessary pots. To do this, simply tap the plus button next to your existing pots or scroll down and look for the Create a Pot option. Give each pot a clear, descriptive name: rent and bills, emergency fund, holiday savings, food and groceries, fun money. This clarity will be invaluable as you set up your sorter. With your pots in place, return to the salary sorter setup. Monzo will now ask you how much you want to move into each selected pot. This is where you input the specific amounts for your fixed expenses and savings goals. Be precise here. If your rent is £800, enter £800. If you aim to save £200 for your emergency fund each month, input £200. Monzo is smart. It will show you your total income and the running total of the money you've allocated to pots. The remaining balance after all your allocations will stay in your main Monzo account, serving as your primary spending money for the month, or you can allocate it to a dedicated spending pot if you prefer even more granular control. This real-time calculation is incredibly helpful, ensuring you don't accidentally overallocate and are left short. A common strategy is to allocate fixed expenses first, then savings, and finally, what's left becomes your discretionary spending. However, a highly effective method, often championed by financial experts, is pay yourself first. This means treating your savings as a non-negotiable expense, just like rent or utility bills. By allocating to your savings pots before anything else, you prioritize your financial future. The salary sorter makes this strategy effortless to implement. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.